Hello, Eben.
Hello.
Hello.
Lego Star Wars.
Star Wars time.
This is
Welcome back in Eben and Dre
today's video of Lego.
about Lego. Okay. What is this? Okay, this is
the mobile.
the second sneak peek about our collection for the our next project about stop motion Star Wars. Okay, this is the two vehicle. First, this is turbo tank. I little bit forgot the number of the series, but this is called turbo tank. But this is our mock.
It's like the mobile.
Yes, it's like a car. It's like a mobile. This is our mock, our own creation. Why? Look at the inside. The color is wrong. It's not supposed to be like this, and the part is wrong. But we use our stock parts to build this turbo tank. Also, it has. Okay, Ben, open the other door. Okay, spin it. Okay, this is for the guard to see everything, and this is the gun. This is the gun. This is also the gun. It can open it everything.
And this is open everyone. Come on.
And this is also the gun. Also the gun. Pew pew. Open the door, the hatch. Okay. So cool. It has 10 wheel. So cool. We also modified the wheel like this, but we need about 9 more parts. The interesting part is it has a handle for carrying.
For me?
Okay, Eben, carry it. Cool. So it's safe to carry it. It's not supposed to be like this or like this, but it has handles. Nice. Brum brum brum. AAT. This is belong to the enemy, the droid. What we modified
This is like the R2-D2.
Oh really? Yeah, it's like R2-D2. Which one? Okay, this is a tank. We modified it. Okay, let's see. Two double barrel, and the color is not supposed to be like this because this is also our mock, our creation. Okay, this is the cockpit for the droid. We customize also the color
Blue.
Okay, this is our sneak peek about the vehicle, our customized for the next project for the stop motion. See you again for the next sneak peek, and of course the stop motion, the making of the stop motion. See you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, Ben. Bye bye.